Before the movie, before the trailer, it starts with the poster, a single image that dares you to imagine the story. What if you could design posters for movies that don't even exist? Today, I'll reveal 50 epic prompts to turn AI into your personal Hollywood studio. Want the full collection? Join our community where every poster becomes a world. It's simple. Use ChatGPT to generate your cinematic poster image or render it with your favorite AI art tool. Animate in dzine, zoom, pan, add light flares. Sync with music and your poster comes alive. Now, let's step into 50 worlds through their posters. Starlight Dreams. A golden marquee glows. Evelyn Starling locks eyes with Marcus Kane beneath velvet ropes and vintage cars. Camera flashes blind the night. Across the screen, the golden age never fades. Romance in pure starlight. Broken neon flickers. Rex Callahan leans against a muscle car, cigarette burning low. Veronica Blaze snaps a switchblade with a smirk. Text slams down. Violence has no rules. The 70s grindhouse returns, raw and feverish. Neon horizon. Kaylin Voss rockets a light bike through a vector highway. Rival headlights close in as skyscrapers glow, grid blue. Across the screen, racing against tomorrow. A future that never slows. Dil-se-pyar. A palace courtyard blooms with fireworks. Arjun Malhotra twirls Priya Devika in a whirl of dancers and lantern light. Script swirls across the night. Love beyond all barriers. Bollywood passion at full blaze. Fist of Destiny. Lantern flames quiver as hero Tanaka faces rival Wei Zhang. Every strike shatters the air in slow, thunderous impact. Brushstroke words carve the screen. One fight, one destiny. Honor burns bright. High Noon Revenge. A tumbleweed rolls between Cole Maddox and outlaw Silas Boone. The dusty street freezes in silence. Letters scrape across. Only one will walk away. The duel of the century begins. Midnight Alley. A lamppost glow cuts the rain. Jack Sullivan watches as Vivian Cross steps from the shadows. Cigarette smoke curls. Noir Serif declares, "The truth never sleeps. Danger waits in every reflection." Color clash. Lana Rivers snaps into pose, colors exploding behind. Panels shift in CMYK blocks, Diego and Sophia sliding into frame. Bold block letters shout, "Life in pop art motion." Pure comic book fun. Cosmic riffs. Axel Stormstrums and the stage dissolves into galaxies. Stars bend to the music as Nova Blaze and Orion Cade join in. Neon script ripples. Music that shatters the stars. A rock opera among planets. Terror from the swamp. Green fog boils. Clara Monroe runs as a behemoth rises from black waters. Sirens flash, townsfolk scatter. Goo drip letters scream, "No one escapes the mire." Campy, chaotic, and gloriously lurid. That's just the opening reel. Romance, noir, neon, and terror. Want the full prompts to recreate these? Join our community today. Next reel. Rolling now, Eternal Guardians. A shield of light blazes as Adrian Cross stands firm, allies bracing behind. Smoke, sparks, and hope collide. Steel-carved words shine. A new age of heroes. A legend is reborn. Shadows of vengeance. Storm clouds churn as Damian Vane stalks a rooftop edge. Lightning flickers, Malik Graves lurks below. Gothic letters strike. Vengeance casts a long shadow. The city quakes. Starbound legacy. In Cosmic Fire, Kalen Drax meets villain Vera Kale. Fleets burn in nebula haze. Radiant seraph glows. Destiny written in the cosmos. An opera of stars and steel. Turbo Fury. Engines scream. Dante Cruz, Maya Storm, Rico Valdez leap airborne in neon blaze. Block letters burn. Ride or burn out. Adrenaline pure and furious. Wonderville. Lumi Spark races with friends Pip, Zara, and Milo into a candy-bright square of banners and balloons. Marquee letters twinkle. Adventure begins here. Magic for every family. Happy chaos. Benny Bumble stumbles through flying cushions and suitcases. Grandpa Gus rolls by, laughing. Big cheerful blocks announce one house, endless laughs. Slapstick gold. License to thrill. Julian Drake smirks across a baccarat table. Selena Frost's glance cuts sharper than any blade. Neon cityscapes shimmer. Elegant serif whispers, every bet is life or death. Spy games begin. The last mark. Victor Kale walks neon corridors. Enemies collapsed in puddle reflections. Mono green type jitters. No past, no future. Only the mark. Precision has no mercy. Shadow protocol. A skyscraper's glass stretches endless below Ethan Cross. A helicopter roars overhead. Sans serif screams, trust no one. Every grip could be the last. Lumina. A bioluminescent jungle glows alive. Naravera brushes glowing ferns, creatures weaving trails of light. Serif flares, a world beyond the stars. Wonder in every breath. 20 trailers deep, spies, jungles, galaxies. To bring them alive, join our community for the full creative prompts. Next reel, loaded. Less is more. A desert stretches forever. A lone figure walks. One screaming. Silence louder than words. Sand-carved text reads, one soul, one story. Minimalism, epic. Eternal mirage. Dunes melt into clocks. Sand turns liquid. Time loops endlessly. Surreal script whispers, time is only a mirage. A dream within desert heat. Through the veil. A city dissolves into jungle. Skyscrapers become roots, cars into vines. A child touches the glowing air. The past always finds you. Magic realism alive. Lost in signal. Vaporwave pink lights buzz. Static erupts on every screen. Faces glitch into ghostly echoes. Blocky neon declares, when the signal breaks, who are you? A glitch becomes destiny. Broken code. A teenager stares at flickering code. The monitor's light forms faces that whisper back. Warning text bleeds in. Some errors shouldn't exist. Terror in digital. Fragmented realities. Glass shards rise like buildings. Cities fracture into kaleidoscope reflections. Gravity folds. Letters shatter. Which world is real? Multiverse chaos begins. Light form. A skyline of holograms glitches. People flicker half real. Words blaze. What if light could lie? Future untrustworthy. Wall of voices. A mural wall sings and shifts. Ancestors' faces whisper through paint. Gold text glows. Every wall remembers. A cultural epic. Eternal wave. A samurai on a cliff stares at crashing seas. Sword raised. Thunderous script reads, one warrior, one storm, honor eternal. Clockwork empire. Airships lift above brass towers, gears clatter. Steam chokes the skyline. Engraved letters grind, the future belongs to steel. Steampunk reigns. 30 visions, surreal deserts, glitch cities, steampunk skies. For every full prompt, join our community. Next up, passion, horror, revolution. 4-5, celestial hearts. Two winged warriors clash midair, feathers glowing. Their eyes meet in forbidden love. Script glows, even stars fall for love. Anime hearts in battle. Winter sonata, snow drifts on a bridge. Lovers' hands meet trembling, gentle serif fades. Love burns. Brightest in winter, quiet tragedy, breathless nights. Paris streets glisten wet. Lovers kiss in smoke-lit jazz haze. Subtle script whispers, every kiss is a secret. French noir romance, cabinet of shadows. Expressionist alleys bend unnaturally. A cabinet creaks, shadows crawl out. Title cracks, the dark has shape. German horror reborn, whispered scream. A masked killer steps into crimson light. Blade gleams. Silence cuts deeper than the scream. Serif bleeds. Beauty kills slowly. Stylish terror. Dragonfire. On neon rooftops, Kenta Blaze kicks a cyber dragon into sparks. Martial flame trails burn, honor forged in fire. Fist meets future. Red dawn, smoke, flags, and shouting crowds. A fire lights in every face. Stamped words declare, freedom demands blood. A revolution awakens. Viva la Vida. Day of the Dead bursts alive. Masks, flowers, guitars blend living and dead in one dance. Colorful text sings, life lives forever. Celebration eternal. Echoes of the ancients. Drums thunder in caves. Spirits flicker in torchlight. Tribal seraphim tones, the past still speaks. Ancestral fire burns. Desert call. Golden dunes ripple as calligraphy writes across the horizon. A caravan marches. Whispering text declares, the desert remembers all. Mystical journey. 40 films deep. Passion, revolution, ancestral fire. To capture them all, join our community for every full prompt. Now the final reel, Crown of Fire. Knights clash as dragons circle a burning sky. A crown glows in flame. Script thunders, power has a price. Fantasy forged in fire. Neon wasteland. Billboards glitch. Rebels speed through neon ruins. Sparks light the chaos. Bold letters blaze, survive the static. Cyberpunk grit. Blood reel. A VHS tape spins, images twist into bleeding faces. Static screams, once you watch, you're dead. Retro horror awakens. Crimson eternity. In a candlelit hall, vampires toast forever hunger. Shadows ripple. Seraph drips. Hunger never dies. Gothic eternity. Last dawn. Ruins crawl with the dead. Survivors run for the sunrise. Text burns. Fight until sunrise. Zombie horror reigns. They came from above. Skies split with UFOs. Humanity stares as beams scorch Earth. Bold warning reads, first contact, last hope. Invasion begins, fading light. Two lovers hold hands as dusk fades. Shadows steal their faces. Script fades too. Love ends with the day. Quiet heartbreak. Iron valor. Armies crash. Generals charge through smoke. Letters rip. Glory demands sacrifice. War in fire. Chasing greatness. Athletes sweat. Stadiums roar. Every second like thunder. Bold block reads, only one wins. The arena of dreams. A Broadway street erupts in dance. Glitter rains, spotlights flare. Neon script soars. Where every street sings. Musical magic. And there you have it. 50 posters for movies that don't exist. Yet. Which would you watch first? Drop your pick in the comments, and remember, to get the full creative prompts and join a community of storytellers who dream in widescreen.
Now it's your turn. Generate posters with ChatGPT, animate them with Dzine, and bring your own cinematic universe to life. Join our community to grab the full set of prompts, plus guides and resources to get started.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.